Now, the price of oil sitting very close to a 5-month high. Right now, it's at 62.43. John Hofmeister is with us. He's the former president of Shell Oil. I would have thought that we've gone to $62 a barrel because China's economy is reviving and there's a possibility of a China trade deal which makes it even better. Is that why oil's at 62?
Well, there's an anticipation of increased demand, yes. But supply is starting to be affected by the OPEC cutbacks. And in addition, there's not enough money to be made at the current price in the Permian Basin of Texas. So there's been a decline in drilling rigs of some 50 to 60 drilling rigs over the past couple of months.
I didn't know that.
They have to make
thought
money.
they were producing, going gangbusters.
We are. We're producing as much as we've ever produced in this country. But it's still, you have to make money. If you don't make money, you can't pay your banks. Okay. And so there's been a problem with paying the banks in the shale industry for quite some time.
I thought the Permian Basin was a vast underground lake of oil that was very easy to tap into. It didn't cost much to produce a barrel of oil.
You still have to drill it. Now, we have about 4,000 drilled wells not yet completed. So there's plenty of oil in that lake.
Yeah.
But we have to complete the wells, which means you haven't been fracked yet.
What about North Dakota?
Same in North Dakota. We have more wells drilled than we have fracked.
But wait a second. If the price of oil goes to 62, maybe $63 a barrel, doesn't that make drilling more profitable all over again?
People are waiting for it to go a little bit higher. There's an anticipation that it's going to creep higher as the year progresses. So rather than spend the money now, we need to make money now, we'll spend the money a little bit later.
You know, this has killed me at the gas pump. I mean, we've gone to, I think it's 271 is the national average for regular now. No, 272, I'm sorry. It's gone straight up.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
Do you think it's going higher still?
I think it'll creep up.
We're going to $3 a gallon?
Saudi Arabia said last fall they need $80 a barrel for the state budget. And so they didn't say that lightly. So they are determined to see $80 a barrel come through the market, and they'll hold back production. Russia's holding back production. So there's a discipline within OPEC because they think that the global economy can stand $80 oil, so let's move in that direction.
Okay, you tell me what you think. Do we get to $80 a barrel this year? Do we get to $3 a gallon gas this year?
I think we'll get to $3 gas, but I'm not sure we'll get to $80 oil.
Well, okay, I'd rather have $80 oil than $3 gas, but that's another story. Mr. Hofmeister, thanks for joining us, sir.
Thank you.
Always appreciate it.